public announcement guide. This is God's Power Giagbe. So today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube handle. So YouTube have added a feature which is called YouTube handle. So how you can create it is very simple. What you have to do, go to YouTube, make sure you log in YouTube with your YouTube channel account, and you click on this, your icon profile. Once you click on your icon profile, you just need to be patient for everything to open properly. So once everything opens, so you just need to click on your channel. Click on this section where it say your channel, and once you click on your channel, it's going to open up your YouTube channel. So once it open up your YouTube channel dashboard here page, you just need to wait for it to open properly, and you need to click on this section where it say customize channel. Wait, this section here that say customize channel, click on that. It's going to open in a new window. You just need to wait for it to open properly. So once you bring it to channel customization window here, you will see it says stand out. You see this message that is showing up, this pop-up here that says stand out and help people find and connect with you by choosing a unique YouTube handle. You can see here it say choose now, and here it say dismiss. So what you have to do here is you need to come here. If you don't see this page where it say channel customization, just follow my instruction. Click here and bring this mouse down and click this section where it say customization. Normally, maybe in your own country, it might say personalization. Click on it to open this same page. So once it open, click on this section where it say basic info. So once you click that, it will bring you down here. If you are new, you will not see everything here. You will just see choose your unique handle by adding a letter, and by adding a letter, that is where it will stop. So if you have already entered your handle, you will see you can change your handle back to Sharemon again within 14 days. So if you choose an handle, you'll not be able to change the handle again instantly the same day or the next day. You are going to wait 14 days before you'll be able to change your YouTube handle. So now I'm going to enter a YouTube new handle. What I need to do here is I'm going to enter a new handle for this my YouTube channel, and I'm going to enter, let me say for example, I will just enter something new here. I will just click remove this, and I will just enter share 44. So once I click on OK here, it's going to tell me that it's going to give me this blue sticker here. It's going to give me this blue sticker saying, if I head over my mouse here, you will see it will say handle available. So once I see that it's available, I just need to click on this section where it say publish. So once I click on publish, it will be saved. So this is how people are going to be searching for me now. But I'm not going to do this because I've already chosen my handle. But for you, you need to choose this. So how you can give people to search for this your handle on web, let me say Chrome web. So let us say we'll go to Chrome web now. I will use my mail. So guys, once you come to Chrome here, what you have to do, your Chrome web search, or where you are searching things on Google. So just come here and search for YouTube. Once you search for youtube.com, what you need to do, you put slash, just put slash. Once you put slash, push at, and you put share money, this is my YouTube channel handle, which is it was share money. Yes, share mon. It was not share mon, but it was share mon. And once I enter the YouTube handle here and I click on enter from my computer, it's going to take us now to my YouTube channel directly. So you will see now it will take me to my YouTube channel. It's going to open right now. So as you can see, it just opened, and that is how you can create your YouTube handle. And yeah, so that is how you can create a YouTube handle. You can go and create yours now. Let me say for example you want to tag people So how can you tag people on your YouTube description? Let me say you create a content about people and you want to tag them, or you want to sponsor them on that your video. So how can you do that? So how you can do it is very simple. You need to go to one of your video, go to customization. I will click on customization here. So once you click on customization here, click on here where it say content. Just click on content. Once you click on content, it's going to open all the videos that you have made here. Just go and look for a video that you want to use. So let me say this video, for example. I will click on this video here. And once I click on this video, I'm going to tag myself. I'm going to tag my main YouTube channel. So this is my main YouTube channel here. All I just need to do is to remove me now. And I will just So bring your mouse down here and type in art. Just put art and you put Yogos Power, which is my main YouTube channel handle. And once I type in Yogos Power here, or I type in God's Power, which is my main YouTube handle, and I type in God's Power here, I click on enter, select it, and I will click on save. So this thing, it will save, and all I need to do now is to click on this video now to go and open this video in a new window. So the video is opening now in new window. So as you can see guys, the video I've opened, and I will just scroll down here and I'll click on more. And as you can see, this is the video, this is my main YouTube channel. I have tagged in the description of this video so that you know how you can tag people now. So if I click on it now, it's going to take me directly to my main YouTube channel. As you can see, this is my main YouTube channel. If you don't know me, you can go and subscribe to this my YouTube channel. So that is how you can create a YouTube handle and how you can tag people on your YouTube channel. So I will say thank you very much guys. All I just want you to do now is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and again, don't forget again, hit that like button, subscribe, and watch this full video to learn how you can make money online for 100%.